Hello and welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a glass being filled with liquid. This is a great practice for working on your still life drawing skills. Let's get started. First, you will want to sketch the basic outline of the glass. Notice the rounded shape of the bowl and the narrow stem. Start by drawing an oval for the opening of the glass and then draw two curved lines downwards to create the sides of the bowl. Connect these lines with a slightly curved line to form the bottom of the bowl. Next, draw the stem of a glass. There is a simple straight line down from the bottom of the bowl, followed by a base. The base should be slightly elongated oval matching the perspective of the glass. Now let's add the pouring liquid. It may be a squish and any choose. Draw a spout or a bottle's mouth at the top right corner, angle toward the glass. From this spout, sketch the liquid pouring into the glass. Use smooth flowing lines to represent the stream of liquid. Make sure to show the liquid level inside the glass with some lines indicating ripples or waves where the liquid is hitting the surface. To add more details, you can refine the lines of the glass, making the edges sharper and more defined. Pay attention to the reflection and refraction that are characteristic of glass. Lightly sketch in some highlights to give the glass a more realistic look. Finally, clean up any unnecessary lines with an eraser and add some shading to give your drawing depth. Shade the inside of the bowl slightly darker and add shadows under the base and the stem of the glass to ground your drawing. And there you have it, a beautifully drawn a glass being filled with liquid. Practice makes perfect, so keep sketching and experimenting with different shapes and perspective. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials. Happy drawing!